Good afternoon, my name is Mike Barber. This afternoon we're going to go through an in-service in our Direct Connect laser probe. So the first thing that you do is you'll open up the box, and what you'll find is a danger laser in use card, the operating guide, a pair of laser goggles, and then you'll find an extension cord to the wall, and then you'll see a power source that will plug into the extension cord, and that extension cord then plugs into the end of the laser. So we actually have the extension cord plugged in, we've got the power source plugged in, we've got the power source plugged into the actual laser itself. You'll then see a red button on the actual probe, and you want to activate that button. So you'll press the button. When you press that button, you're going to hear some beeping, and you're going to see a red light at the end of the actual probe itself. So the beeping is counting down the time. It's going to go for 33 seconds, and then it'll shut off. The red light is just the aiming beam, the actual energy coming out of these three diodes. Your eye cannot see. It's infrared at 830 nanometers of wavelength. So every cycle we're delivering 3 joules of energy, or 90 milliwatts of power, and that gets you to the 3 joules per diode. So once again, let me go through it. Open up your box, you'll get a sign that says laser in use. You'll get an operating guide. You'll get a pair of laser goggles. You'll get a plug to the wall. You'll get a power source that you'll plug into that plug. The power source plugs into the actual probe itself. You begin your treatment protocol by activating the red button. You'll hear the beeping going on. You'll see the red light. It'll turn off within 33 seconds. And if for some reason you want to stop in the middle of a cycle, you can hit the red button and it'll deactivate it. So I want to thank you for your time this afternoon. If you have any questions, let's call customer service at 713-520-0668. 713-520-0668. Thank you very much and have a great day.